We are witnessing one of the greatest transformations in human history. Artificial intelligence is reshaping how we live, learn, create, and decide. But as machines advance towards artificial general intelligence and ultimately artificial superintelligence, the most important question is no longer what machines can do. It is, what should humanity become? In Artificial Superintelligence, Shaykh Hammad Mustafa, al-Madani al-Qadri explores this question through the timeless intellectual tradition of Islam, rooted in the Qur'anic promise, "We shall show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves." Because in the Islamic vision, discovery is not a threat to faith, it is a duty of faith. Journey from algorithms and generative intelligence to AGI and beyond. Can a machine be conscious? Who governs an intelligence greater than our own? What becomes of warfare, identity, the human soul? And what does the world look like beyond 2100? Not with fear, not with blind optimism, but with knowledge, wisdom, and responsibility. As humanity stands at the threshold of a new era, that is the conversation we cannot afford to ignore. Artificial Superintelligence, a visionary work by Shaykh Hammad Mustafa al-Madani al-Qadri, exploring the future of intelligence through the enduring wisdom of Islam.